Welcome to J&J Auto Reckoning's engine test and video tour for HMME128. This is a 1991 base model Mercury Capri with a 5-speed manual transmission. 52,000 miles on this unit. Involved in a side collision. With a piece of exhaust that keeps rattling. I don't know if you can hear it in the video or not, but there's like maybe a catalytic converter plate rattle. But the engine itself is just turned nice, quiet. You can tell this is somebody's baby. There you can hear it. You can see here, the vehicle has 52,761 miles. And actually, there we go. They get it serviced at Dale's Marathon in Rittman, Ohio, and was well within its next service range. And Dale is actually a good customer of ours, so that's cool to see. So this is a well-kept car and a locally owned car at that. We actually bought it from the auction, so that was a nice little surprise. Once again, thanks for watching. This is J&J Auto Reckoning's engine test for HMME128. Thank you, have a nice day, and God bless America.